Welcome to Burger of the Month. I'm here with Sam Hampson, who's got his burger idea, which is the...
We've been naming it, right?
So there's been... burger. We've been naming it for a while
There's been some rejected suggestions. We were going to name it the Quack Comedy Burger in honor of Eric and the Crack Comedy Night that you've got here, which I won a couple of weeks ago, not to make a big thing of that. We've settled on Smoking Quack.
Smoking Quack. It's the Smoking Quack burger because we're smoked, and this is a duck burger.
Yeah.
So you're from Manchester?
Born in Manchester, yeah.
So you're from the north?
Up north.
Yeah, so you find much of a difference with being down here?
Yeah, you don't try and make me take a side here, Leigh. I'm in London now, don't try and be like, oh, you hate the north. Like, no, I love the north.
This burger's going to retail at £17. What would they say about that in Manchester?
They would probably not love that. I'm still a cheap northerner at heart. I've lived in London 10 years now and everything is a struggle. It is for everyone, right? But you go, oh no, that's not worth it. It is. But I think you could probably buy a house for the same price of this burger.
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say. I would say the reason is because you can buy a house.
Yeah.
For that in Manchester.
Yeah, see, I was trying to get ahead of you, I was trying to make it easier for you. Look, great food scene up there, all of the north of England, amazing. But we're here today in Kingston and it's a great value for a great burger.
Yeah, really looking forward to it. It sounds great. Okay, so we're going to go and cook the burger. Camille is going to help us here. What's the steps? What's the steps?
Whatever you call
the Smoking Quack.
Yeah, Smoking Quack, okay. Koud it tag, leg in the best, Asian pickles, a vinegar of soy, sugar, we've got some togarashi fries, oyster mayo, lamb sauce, Asian dressing for our Asian style of coleslaw, with spring rolls, and we need the bun. We cook it in the oil, and now it's chilled. I just pulled the meat. We're gonna deep fry the spring rolls as well. Toast the bun, season our coleslaw mix, put both sauces on top.
It's the first duck burger of the month. Not only submission, but ever.
I think so.
Doing?
No.
Did we?
Okay. It's quiet.
When did we do a duck burger of the month?
It was approached 4 or 5 years ago.
Well,
that's a dream. That was a dream. That's a dream. He made that up. What's the inspiration behind the idea for a duck burger? Is it because we're coming into Easter? You thought what's got nothing to do with Easter?
Yeah, you'd think there was some sort of plan here, Leigh. What's happened is I've picked an idea that already exists. Is it plagiarism? Is it ripping off? Maybe. It's basically going, that tastes good. And I came to Camille and I went, hey, how about a duck burger? And he made it work. He came back to me and went, that is too simple, Sam. Made all this magic happen. Are you excited? Are you a duck burger fan?
Yeah. Well, I've never had a duck burger. Regardless of what Camille says, I've never had one.
Okay.
So you were in tech then before. How did you go about catching restaurants doing cash in hand, just asking for a friend? Did you learn to cook from your parents?
Not really. My mum was a willing cook. She would describe herself as a bad cook, but she was great. She was fine. Dad was great. He worked away. And when he came home, it'd be a big occasion and like he'd make a big thing. Yeah, it was never a big part of our house. My granddad was Indian and he used to cook curries every once in a while and that was so exciting at the time.
That's great.
Very different.
Did you learn to cook Indian food?
No, he came over in the 50s and he was like the only Indian man in the area. So he kind of, in a lot of ways, I think hid that part of himself. He was so keen, he worked a lot of jobs and did a lot of things, but didn't want to lean into it. But people used to make him make curries as time went on.
And what's your favorite burger at the moment besides your own duck burger?
Oh, your chicken burger. Is that what I'm advertising here? Is that what you want me to say this week? Like, feed me the light. No, favorite burger is tough. This is great. This place is some amazing ones. Came to do your show here a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
And they were like, kitchen's open until 10. I was like, no, I'm all right. I'm on stage. Saw the menu and I'm like, okay, maybe we'll have a little bit. When I first started going out, I was paying 75p a drink. That was the first place I went to. The Acapulco Club. I'm 35. I was drinking young, but that was a different age. I wasn't the one you roll out 75p drink, please. No,
that's that kid that keeps crawling into your
someone needs to ban him. No.
Yeah. But if you want to have a good time, you got to go out and pay, okay? So £17 for burgers, fine. So now we're going to cook the Smoking Quack burger. Let's do it, guys. Camille, Sam, let's do your thing.
We're going to start with the spring rolls. Those the ones like spring rolls. Then a black meat. I don't need to deep fry with spring rolls. Just deep fry them at the same time. We're going to deep fry dark meat. And then I'm check this one. That meat in here. When the meat will be pouring, once it's ready, spring rolls because of here inside. They can just cover them for a second. And now on, we can toast the bun.
Oh, great, cool. Yeah, I'll take this one. Yeah,
You got that?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Please.
Have you toasted buns before, Sam?
Yeah, I mean, that's the level. Camille will handle the rest. I'll do the bun toast.
You look so relaxed doing it.
Yeah, but then nearly burnt my fingers as it went. So, yeah.
Loading, and let's say 30 more seconds and we'll be ready. Spring rolls done. We need a plate. We can use stones, we can use the basket to take them out. That's the crispy spring roll.
See, Camille's cooking like there's 50 tickets on the go. That's what he's used to, huh?
One ticket for 50 people. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, we've got a crispy duck.
So now Sam's going to build a burger. Very excited to see this. Let's do it, Sam.
This is all me, and Camille has had nothing to do with this bit. Honest. We're going to start with a hoisin mayo.
Hoisin mayo.
Hoisin mayo.
Good.
It's something I invented, I think.
Yeah,
I assume no one's ever thought of
hoisin
that.
or mayo or both?
Yeah, both. Both. That's all me. And then next we're going to go, Camille, we're going to go with the spring. We're not. You know what? We're not going to
No,
go
don't
with
do
that.
that. Yeah.
Creative control. I'm going to go with this, and this is going to have some Asian dressing. Hey, Camille, we're all good. Stay in your lane. We'll put some Asian dressing on here. Most of it's going to go in the bowl. We're going to mix it up. Doesn't that look good?
That looks nice, nice and crunchy.
Yeah.
Nice, you know.
That's going on top of the hoisin mayo. And then it's definitely the spring rolls now.
Definitely this.
Right, Camille?
No, yeah.
Yep, it's definitely the spring rolls now. We're going to go with these delicious duck spring rolls
Awesome.
on top. Top of that. Bit of
That's
crunch.
fantastic.
It does look
Gonna stay in
fantastic.
place, though,
We'll
isn't it?
find out, won't we, Leigh?
We're gonna
We'll find out.
We are going to find
I'm
out.
going to go with this crispy duck on top.
It's very crispy, isn't it?
Just the right level of crispy.
Perfect level of crispy. That's what I was going to say next.
And it's definitely going to stay together
So
for the
crispy,
sake
it
of
looks like
this
pork racking.
filming. That amazing. So we're going to get some Asian pickles. We've got some spring
Asian
onion.
pickles.
We've got some cucumber. Amazing. That's going on top of there. And to finish off,
This actually looks amazing.
what do you mean actually? It's like you're dousing me.
No, I never doubted it.
And then some plum sauce on top. Gonna give it plenty of plum sauce because it's fruit and it's good for you. Finished off with the structure.
That's going to hold us.
It's definitely gonna hold a burger. Smoking Quack.
The smoking quack. Look at this. This does look really good. Do you think it's going to compete well against James Townsend's Le Coq McGregor? The chicken burger he's done?
Yeah, I assume so.
You've seen it?
I mean, you've had a chicken burger before, right? How good can James do? I don't know, James, so I don't want to start something. I don't want to start a beef here, but everyone's
You don't want to start a beef, or you do want to?
No, I don't think so, because you told me he looks like Conor McGregor.
Yes.
So absolutely not. I'm not going for that.
But you look like Clark Kent. Man, just take the coat.
Yeah, but not Superman. Very clearly, the journalist that everyone looks at and go, he's not a superhero. No, so this is going to be great. It's going to be the best burger. No offense, James. It's going to be so much better than anything you could ever do, I assume.
In life.
In life. And the other person we're competing with is Kerry, right?
Kerry is right, yeah.
See, I've met Kerry once, and Kerry has a strong vibe of someone who could not make a better burger than
this one.
So
This is going to be the one. So
it's just the way it is. Honest review, Camille.
11 out of 10 years.
Stop it. I'm Sam Hampson. This is the Smoking Quack burger. We have a brioche bun, hoisin, mayonnaise, Asian slaw, pickled vegetables, 2 crispy duck spring rolls, confit fried duck, finished. Once you smoke Quack, you never go back. Is it going to be burger of the month for April? I assume so. Everyone assumes so. Have you had a beef burger before? Yeah, probably. Chicken? Definitely. Duck burger? No. So here we are. Smoking Quack. Good and bad. 1, that was the greatest burger I've ever had in my life. 2, it didn't stay a burger for long. I think we need to work on the structure. Taste, 10 out of 10. Like, variation, yeah, amazingly. It's really good, but it does, maybe it's my technique, it's collapsed.